ngayon ay naglalakad papunta sa beach ng Abong. Gusto daw ng hubby ko na maglakad, makita ulit ang beach ng Abong. Ito po ang papuntang dagat sa Abong. Ito po ang way. Ayan naman po ang aming barangay hall ng Abong. Ito po ang Abong Child Development Center.
You can bring your trash, other trash here.
Yeah.
Oh, simple. We've been doing that. We have apps, we have glass, everything put there.
Yeah.
No problem.
Yan naman po ang Bloom Residence. Foreigner din po ang kapartner ng Pilipinang yan. Ganda ng bahay nila, no? Ayan, kaya nga po pala ako nag-vlog papuntang dagat. Kasi noong last week na pumunta kami dito is maraming sinasabi ang hubby ko na bakit daw dito ang dumi-dumi. Ang dami daw kalat na plastic, mga diaper. So no discipline daw po ang tao. Sana naman daw po ay may discipline para daw po sa kalikasan. You okay?
Yeah,
Good walking?
yeah, fine. No, that's not so far. Later, I have no problem.
Later, when you come back, tired. Looking. The bougainvillea. You see? Look, bougainvillea.
Yeah. What is here? The banana. Big banana?
Yeah. What can you say walking going to the beach? I think it's now is not too much dirty. No more plastic. You
It's
see?
a little better,
A little better. Okay.
but they must learning too much.
Yeah.
It's for the same.
Ah,
The question is for your health.
yeah.
It's only they put everything here, making a little clean. The other we go in the other barangay is very good.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. I told you. That one is not too much expensive.
Yeah,
Already 40K.
only for me for the beach going to the
Yeah. It's better.
What they go to them here?
Hmm?
What are they doing with it?
Don't know.
Making take the property?
Yeah, maybe. But he is
It's
a
from
river.
Cannot. Eh?
Yeah.
That is
No
for,
good.
for the river, eh?
Yeah.
behind the river, then you have
Yeah.
a problem.
Oh, looking.
Oh,
Mango.
Yeah,
Mango.
mango.
Yeah,
For the
yeah,
animals.
yeah. Medyo malayo-layo din ang aming nilalakad papunta sa beach. Kasi gusto talaga niyang maglakad. Para daw ma-exercise. Fast walking. Fast walking, then they have exercise. If it's slow walking, not better.
I have the same step.
Ayan po yung paligid papunta sa dagat. Hello Marisa! Good morning! Pasaan ka? Anong binili mo? Kaaga magprepare sa dagat, maglalakad daw are.
Looking. It's
Yeah.
a nice color.
Bougainvillea.
Yeah.
But I think you buy already is not too much higher.
No, me, I was asking, I wanted not so high, compact.
Okay. I think it's until like this.
Yeah,
Not too much higher.
no, this one, to this high.
Oh, the same, huh?
Yeah, and then
His
Yeah.
bloom.
then
The
I
growing.
must tell him what I must doing. Must I, if I have flowers finished breaking, and then they can.
I know.
Yeah,
Ate,
that I must ask.
gandang umaga.
Hello. Morning.
Sige ho, maglalakad daw muna are.
Yeah, looking.
Tuwan-tuwa din sa inyong are at tuwing kami dadaan lagi niyang tinitingnan. Sabi pa nga na baka daw may maliit ay kukunin daw niya tita. Mhm.
Maybe they can rent the sheep.
Okay. I pick up already for you.
Eh? We put it.
Yeah.
We try it. We have that. Hmm?
A little better to walking, not dirty. Huh?
Morning. Morning. That is nice. Too high,
Yeah.
but it's nice.
This one is high.
Too high.
Yeah.
This level, 1, 2, then it's okay.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
Waiting. I was asking them, what I was doing. The plants. If I have plants,
Eh,
or this one.
Okay.
Not so high. I don't like it so high. It's not so good. No comment.
Yeah. Church. The other side is church. Oh, they have a new one
After
house.
10 minutes finish the
Yeah.
phone.
No, he is a vlog.
the man from for the steel, for the grill.
This one? No.
No, in the car.
Ah. Ben Brink, are you okay to walking?
Okay.
Yeah, his farm. Looking. Farm rice.
I actually want a little
Okay.
lamb.
You know, oh, yeah. In church maybe it's good.
Yeah.
Banana is long one.
Only
Morning daw. Ito po ang isa sa nakakatuwa. Pag gusto namin pumunta ng dagat, pwedeng lakadin. Tapos kahit paano may magandang tanawin na bukid.
yeah, this small
Nakaka-relax.
banana. Don't like it.
Why you don't like it?
The longest is better. The neighbors
This
have
one is, I think, is Señorita banana.
uh,
That's called not too much long. Not the same to the church banana. Now it's better walking to the beach.
This is a nice home, eh?
Yeah. Yeah.
That is nice.
The window is
Looking.
nice.
Pomelo.
Pomelo.
Eh?
Yeah, pomelo.
Eh?
Yeah. Before, 7 years or 8 years ago, the walking is not good because this one not finished.
Yeah, everything.
Yeah.
They finish if the
Now you're enjoying
Yeah.
going to the beach because it's good
yeah.
highway. That
But the
before
other
is not
street
good.
is better. They're making good.
Oh, in the Puting Buhangin,
Yeah.
yeah. He is ex-mayor Manalo.
Yeah, they're making very
They
good.
have I love San Juan.
Yeah, and then the place, the properties are nice properties there.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah. But it's broken already.
Yeah.
Looking,
Why? For the trucks,
maybe.
very heavy,
Yeah.
and then driving here.
Driving too much hard.
And the road is this, looking,
Yeah.
not right. Eh? This higher, this smaller.
Yeah. Tired? No tired. I think it's half walking from the beach.
Yeah, too far. That is the problem for the property, eh? This one. You going with the bike, everything you on your face.
Yeah. I think it's grass.
But this?
Yeah, it's
No.
grass.
No.
Oh, yeah.
Here, this one.
Yeah. His tree.
Yeah.
His bougainvillea.
Is it also?
His plant. They have a
Wine and
flower.
flowers.
Yeah. He's trimming
Oh,
until finish the wool.
here are the people doing nothing. Stop. Eh?
Yeah.
Take this one. Ben have before.
Yeah.
Accident. Eh?
Yeah, this one. Oh, you want to take and then can put. Okay. Oh, pinaalis niya daw at delikado. Baka daw may maaksidente. Ganyan siya ka-concern.
Big stone, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Ben, they cannot doing that way. A stone on the road.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
He tell us, for the same place you going to the hospital.
Yeah. You are not tired?
No.
No. Okay, good. It's good for your health to walking.
Yeah. For making a good building there.
Yeah.
Not finished. No money more.
Yeah. Yeah. Looking. Ayan po ang sinasabi niya ng mga basura. Dapat daw hindi po tinatapon sa ganyan. Kasi malapit daw po sa dagat. Pagka bumagyo, pumupunta sa dagat. Kaya daw po napakarumi ng tabi ng dagat. Yun po yung kinukomplain niya. Every time po na darating ito dito sa Pilipinas, pag may nakikita po itong isang place na madumi, lagi niya kinukomplain what happened the people in the Philippines. Problem. No discipline, they asking.
Okay, then doing this is a little okay. Must looking if you from the ground.
Yeah.
You have a big problem.
Malapit na kami sa dagat. What did you see? You are very slow walking.
Yeah.
You
go
can see the
walking
tree.
harder, you're going.
Yeah.
I must stay till 8 o'clock.
This one is a good property, good house to playground. You see?
Yeah. But the road to here,
Yeah.
you have pain in your back.
Yeah.
Looking, if you see the house, looking there,
Yeah.
the tree,
Yeah.
the coconut behind it.
Yeah.
Morning.
Oh, I understand, love.
What?
The talking one meant is I understand.
What?
The asking is every morning is this, they asking we will greeting to the morning.
Yeah, it's simple. You thank you, everything you thank you. Yeah? Nice people. You can,
Oh, ito pong way na ito ay sa Balay Ising. Tired now. Alam niyo po, napakabait ng hobby kong ito, ng aking foreigner na ito. Wala po akong masabi rito. Kahit po hindi siya singyaman ng mga foreigner na may partner dito sa Abong, pero isa po sa masasabi kong napakabait niya. Kasi bakit po, siya po ay nakapokus sa pagpapaaral sa aking mga anak. Na yun daw po ang kanyang maiipamana sa aking mga anak. At talaga pong, ano siya sa pamilya. Ano po siyang mag-ano ng pamilya, makapamilya po siya.
you see on the
Yeah.
it's not good.
Lagi niya pong ipinapaunawa sa akin na huwag akong maging katulad ng iba na may foreigner na maraming sasakyan, na kung saan saan nakakapunta. At first priority daw niya po ay ang aking dalawang anak makapagtapos at mapaunti-unti niya ang aming bahay. So ako naman po ay kontento sa ganun kasi di ko rin naman po hinangad na sa mga kapritso. Simple lang din po ang aking naisabuhay. Yun pong isang masayang pamilya ang mga anak ko ay mapagtapos ko ng pag-aral at sa oras ng pagkain meron po kami inihahain sa pagkainan. So simpleng buhay lang po ang gusto ko. Na kami po ay mayroong komunikasyon sa Diyos. Hindi niyo po naitanong, ako po ay isang Christian. So natutuwa po ako, siya po ay nabaptize na sa born again. Napabaptize ko po siya last na pumunta siya rito at hindi niya po ako kinokontra sa mga ginagawa ko sa church at saka sa pagbabasa ko po sa Biblia. Hindi po siya kagaya ng iba na foreigner na kontrang-kontra po sa mga relihiyon. So ilan na rin po yung nakakausap ko mga foreigner pagdating sa Diyos. Ano po sila? Hindi naniniwala. Kontra po sila sa ganoon. Kontra po sila sa pananampalataya. Tsaka napakasipag po nito. Hilig po siya magtanim ng mga halaman, gulay, mga bulaklak. Nililinis niya ang mga paligid. Mapagmahal po siya sa kalikasan. Ayan, malapit na po kami sa dagat. Isang liko na lang at dagat na po. Tired or no? Tired? You want to rest?
No.
Oh no, okay.
Hi, morning. Where the river going there?
Yeah, more houses.
And then you have a bridge there.
Yeah, I don't know. I cannot going there, but I know that is more houses.
Hmm?
Yeah. You want some other day going there? Want to see?
Later I felt Ben coming. I asked him.
Going there.
Yeah. Sometimes with the bike is easy.
Yeah.
Not walking.
Yeah.
This banana is better.
Yeah.
It's bigger.
Gusto niya daw pong mapuntahan ito. Pag dumating daw po yung kanyang kapatid, may motorsiklo, pupuntahan niya yung lugar na yun. Gulay yan. He's a vegetable.
Yeah. Prince was working here. Maybe he is a cucumber.
Go.
Big frog, eh?
Yes, malapit na kami sa dagat. Sa wakas.
Japanese garden or Chinese garden?
Don't know.
Korean.
Ayan yan. This one coconut tree. Like for the coconut tree plant.
Burn plastic.
Not good.
Huh?
Yeah. Klaseng lalagyan na rin ng bahay.
Morning. Oh, there. Good.
Yeah. Build the building house.
Eh?
Build the building house.
No, it's not a house, no?
Why?
It's a cabinet for 2 days, maybe for 1 month.
Ayan na, natatanaw ko na. Malapit na ang dagat. Mahina akong maglakad kasi yan, tinyo patigil-tigil. Kaya ang tagal namin bago makarating sa beach. Yeah, duck. I'm tired, love. You wanna tired? Oh, good.
That, you're looking, that is nice green.
Yeah, okay.
That is nice green.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah,
Looking healthy.
yeah. Farm rice and other one is ampalaya.
Yeah.
Vegetable farm.
Looking behind the mountain in the clouds. There.
Yeah. Okay. Mm.
And you have a gun, you're eating tonight
Ampalaya. Duck.
taking them.
You, not me. Everyone. Ay, nako. Inubo na po ako sa
Flying to you.
sa habi kong ari. Ari po ay joking. Galing magpatawa.
That's where you have Roma.
Ang puno daw po ng saging ay may rayuma na kasi nakabalik ko. Ang tawag po nito sa rayuma ay ruma kasi tinuturuan ko po ito ng paunti-unti ng Tagalog. Ganun din ang aking mga anak. Wow! It's beach. Sa wakas, narating din ni Denny Benbring ang beach. I think, Denny, love, I think when you come back, very tired. Ako po ay hindi gasinong mahusay sa English. At least nagkakaintindihan po kami na rin. masasanay din ako.
It's good for you.
Oh.
Here,
Why pick up?
that.
Yeah,
It's good for you.
glass.
Eh? Then you
Glass.
can walking to home.
Yan, hindi daw po maganda yung ano. Dinadaanan may mga basag-basag na bote. O nga naman nilalagyan. So nari po talagang sa daan napakaano po. Very concerned po ito, hindi lang sa sarili niya kundi sa kapwa-tao niya.
Big crab or not?
No, small crab. I don't know what you're calling that.
I'm thinking.
That is small, and then
You cannot-
it's good cooking for have a cocoa milk.
Yeah, this is not small.
Machi eating the pupo. Don't like.
Behind 1 year ago, we're really buying that.
Yan po yung sinasabi niya. Maraming mga battle. Ayan. Dapat daw po hindi ganoon.
I hope fishermen fish it.
Dapat talaga malinis ang area ng daan papunta rito sa dagat.
If you buy this, you're burning everything first. You cannot walking inside, burning.
Yeah.
Later you put
Sinasabi niya po yung punong iyon dapat ay inaalis sa may daan kasi delikado daw po sa mga pumupunta rito, lalo na sa may sasakyan. Ari po talaga ay very concerned sa mga dinadaanan. Talagang love po nito ang kalikasan.
what happened now? Making a bed for that? What they are doing?
Yeah, because it's the tricycle or anything,
Oh,
they cannot
this-
go there until, yeah.
Ay, basahin nyo na.
Ano po, bawal na pong pumunta?
Hindi naman bawal. Yung babayad kayo ng kuhan. Kaya bawal na may ari. Puro kalat lang naabot diyan eh.
Alam niyo po, sa totoo lang, kaya nga po ako nag-vlog eh. Kasi kino-complain niya po yung dinadaanan papunta rito. Bakit daw po ang mga Pilipino ay hindi marunong magdisiplina?
Ay,
Eh,
gawa nung mga napunta ho din eh.
kalikasan nga naman po eh.
Wala
Yan,
naglilinis. Puti, ginagawa lang kami alilang puti. Wala makabayad-bayad.
ano yun, pagsapit ng alas 8 ng gabi ay bawal nang pumasok
Bawal na. Sabi nga,
mangisda.
doon sa
Lamang.
Tanang City lang. Hindi na-
Daytime in transport. Ha?
Yung hindi pinapayagan
150 per? Ano yun?
15 pesos. 15 ho.
15. Oo nga pala, 15 pesos per
Per head.
head.
Oo.
So kami ay 30 pesos.
Oo.
O saan kami magbabayad?
Ay, kasya akin. Wala pa yung mga hiningin eh.
Okay, sige. Pagbalik na lang namin ha.
O sige, sige.
Naku, Konsehal Kukoy. Ito dapat ang maging project mo ng mga kabataan. Sasama ako. Pag nag-project kayo na maglinis sa area ng papuntang dagat, isa ako sa makakatuwang mo dito. Hindi pala Konsehal, Kapitan Kukoy. Kasi hindi naman sa talagang tuwing pupunta siya dito sa beach, lagi niya sinasabi ang daming battle, ang daming madumi. Kaya daw nagiging madumi din ang area ng dagat. Kaya dapat daw ang mga tao ay magdisiplina. Hello.
Babawi na lang sa loob.
Oo nga eh. O ayan, ayan isa sa mga kinocomplain. Walking? What's up ito po yung area ng dagat ng Alamang. Whew. You know, love, sometimes government they give to the poor people cleaning area in beach. Yeah, I experienced that, but I cannot purpose. I always try to apply in purpose, always rejected.
No, you will, then is in the morning you put that everything for bills here. Make you for that. It's very black.
Yeah,
The next day you can
yeah, correct.
nothing. Nothing the whole.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's every month they have cleaning here in all purpose in Abong.
If you have this good this making parasol here. It's looking nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
Everybody coming here.
Nice,
sitting,
yeah, sitting nice, but
Making two more people, then you have coming other people.
yeah, especially now is have paying 15 pesos per head. So much better cleaning in the area. Kung kanino man yung place na property ito. Yeah, they have. I can see it.
Yeah, I
Read.
think what they make.
It's 15 pesos per head paying.
Why? It's
Because they
open.
telling me the man is always dirty, and then he's cleaning because it's more people coming. They
Then,
cannot
if they
bring it
doing-
the rubbish.
Yeah, what is he doing? Is first making clean.
Yeah.
Then asking money.
Yeah.
You come here, you sitting. That is okay. But
Yeah.
now you come here, it's very dirty.
Yeah,
That is sinking.
yeah.
You put only the money in your pocket. No more. Told
Yeah.
you, it's sinking.
Yeah.
That is the problem. I thinking that is paying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They
not
tell
for
me.
the car. It's not good.
Is that good?
The people have
Yeah.
no money.
Yeah.
You go in here in the morning, early in the morning for the kids.
Yeah.
You have 10 kids.
Yeah.
They have lemonade, everything.
It's better they have talking about regarding here in area of Abong Beach.
If they're asking money, they may have here support. You can go in toilet, you
Yeah.
go in everything. Then they can ask you money.
Yeah.
But now put it only in the
Self pocket. Yeah. Yeah.
You live on the island,
Yeah.
eh?
Yeah.
And then asking money for what?
Yeah. Ito yung sinasabi niya. But Love is different from Puerto Galera and other beach resorts because they have a cleaning already. This one cannot private resort.
Yeah. If you
But,
have resort everything, you must first look
Yeah.
in everything is good. It's not good, nobody coming. It's dirty, no coming. Now
Yeah.
you're paying, and it's very dirty. You have not accommodation here, a roof of here. You cannot stay the whole day. Then you go in the whole day, you have to take paracetamol. Headache.
Dapat nga naman tayong mga pumupunta dito sa beach, maging concern tayo. Kung tayo may mga dalang bottle, mga plastic, huwag nating iwanan. Bitbitin natin, dalhin natin sa atin at ilagay natin sa dapat lagyan. Total, sa barangay naman ay miniting ang buong taga-abong na isegregate yung mga dapat isegregate na basura. Yung sunugin. Yung hindi ay ilagay doon sa may barangay hall para kukunin. At
Then while the people going to the other place.
yeah.
There is no you can do it.
In area of Puting Buhangin, very clean.
Yeah, then they go
Yeah, you're going the other day with Ben?
yeah,
Yeah, okay. It's nice, cleaning. Yeah.
the rest sitting there where we have also to make a photo.
Oh, they have I Love You San Juan.
Yeah. And then was a family, a mother and the
This
kids.
one is a project of ex-mayor Manalo.
Yeah, but they have there a woman and they have a child birthday. They have food there.
Yeah.
And,
Sitting in the beach.
Maybe the Ben don't understand what she tell. He tell, give me pancit and lemonade. He think he paying, but his birthday for the kids.
Yeah. They understand to Ben. They cannot
He
understand.
said later to me, I ordered that is for the kids.
Oh,
He is thinking for sailing. He asking me, you eating? I said, no, I'm from my belly.
yeah.
I don't eating.
Oh, they telling the Filipino.
Yeah, but they sell, they have the birthday.
Yeah.
The kids,
They invited you in birthday to food with eating.
and then they think, oh, there's a woman, then they sell the food.
They understand Ben is the moment is selling the food.
Then and the woman cannot so good English, they think, take it, what do you want?
While walking, there we have no peace.
Maybe the other way, looking there.
Okay, you go there. This one is a finish. Go there. Last week. Okay.
It's nice.
Yeah.
There you see, what you
That's why I told you the two kids wake up already and then
that is Saturday. If you tell Sunday, they want it.
sometime is the two kids cannot good for always like that. You spoiled my kids, not good.
You make a racing. You do nothing.
Yan naman. Ang per head po ay 15 pesos pero tingnan nyo naman po. But last week nang kami pumunta rito wala pa. Sana itong inuuna nilang linisin. For me, love, no problem to have paying 15 pesos per head is no problem. But first is cleaning.
Yeah.
Yan naman. Ito nga naman ay nililinis. Di ka gandang tingnan kahit nga naman magbayad ka ng magbayad kahit per head. Looking the Puting Buhangin area, oh. I see it. It's far but I see it. I see. No dirty. That area in Puting
I was
Buhangin.
there. I tell him the beach from you here in your area
Yeah.
is very good.
Yeah,
Clean.
yeah. The other day, you
Abong
and Ben
is
is going.
dirty.
Yeah. I'm sorry, love. To Abong is dirty. From the highway going there, very.
You
Yeah.
see that the way it is helping.
Yeah. For me, I want to
see.
helping. No problem for me to helping
that
cleaning
now,
area in
it is,
Abong,
you have
going
a
to the
full
beach.
country.
For me, it's no problem. I volunteer.
You can making for your country a nice paradise. Is everything clean, a little flowers.
Yeah.
Hey? Hey? Here, you have there's the cabin. This, you can live in there. A nice flower, everything. Hey? Plants,
Yeah.
making green. Hey? Oh, the man don't go with the boat. Fisherman, living there.
Yeah. Maybe it's fisherman.
Oh, living there. Yeah, a little one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Area.
Yeah.
Sitting. Eh? Not the whole day in the sun.
Yeah.
Everything, glass of everything is putting
Yeah.
everything clean.
Yan po ang ganda ng dagat. Pagdating lang po dito, hindi na maganda. Also in Calabcove area, beach is nice, not dirty.
Yeah.
Only the Abong place is very dirty.
You're looking for here for dirty. You're paying first 50 cents going to the beach, and then you was cleaning.
Yeah,
Eh?
yeah,
If it don't not do cleaning, you have to put you don't looking where you're walking. Maybe glass or everything. Looking. Not so much work.
okay, you do the work now. Good example, all the Filipino.
I live there. I can.
Yeah.
I live
If you live there in not too much far in beach, maybe you can do that.
Everything what
Okay.
you can do, you do it. Eh? Everything.
I know that because in the house, I see it. You are cleaning.
Everything you do here from there.
Yeah.
You have energy. You can do it.
Yeah.
You have no energy. You stay here. But I see the young kids have fun.
Yeah.
They
Yeah.
have nothing here in your place. What the kids cannot have a
Yeah,
playground for other. Now you can do your swimming.
Yeah.
And you are living on an island on the beach.
Yeah.
It's not paying. It is not a swimming pool.
Yeah.
There is a better option. Looking, this one. This looking so.
Ito po ay continue nung aking unang binidyo. Ano naman, oh.
Also of people they going in the morning going to the beach and in the evening going to the beach before dark.
Kaya po, mga taga-abong, nakakahiyaman po talaga lang naman na dapat tayo ay
Yeah, glass.
maglinis ng ating area. Kasi po, kung saan saan natin itatapon ng basura, pagka po umulan, bumagyo, ang punta po nun ay sa dagat. Maging concern po tayo sa ating kalikasan. Noong ako po ay dati hindi pa na-experience na mag-abroad, hindi po ako katulad dati na pag ako po ay may hawak na basura, tapon ko na lang po. Pero since nang ako po ay nag-start na mag OFW, first pong pinuntahan ko ay Singapore. Doon ko po nakita, dahil sa Singapore po napakalinis po talaga ng Singapore. Bawal po doon na magtapon ng kung ano-ano. So since po nang makapunta ako doon, nakita ko po ang pagkakaiba ng kalinisan ng Pilipinas sa Singapore. Na-realize ko po na dapat talaga ang bawat Pilipino ay may concern sa ating kapaligiran. Since po noon, nang bumalik ako rito, hindi niyo na po ako mapapagtapo ng kahit kaunting basura sa daan. Binubulsa ko po yan, nilalagay ko yan sa bag, tapos po ay pagdating ko sa bahay, nilalagay ko sa basurahan, sinusunog at sinisegregate ko din po yung mga bottle, yung mga plastic, yung mga dapat sulugin. Actually po, yun pong dating kapitan, inano na po yan sa amin, miniting na po kami na dapat po talaga nakasegregate. So, alam na rin po yan ng mga taga-abong. Kaya lang po, hindi mo maiwasan na mayroong matigas ang ulo. Ay. Aray po, kinukwento ko sa kanya, may bayad na. Sabi niya, sana malinis muna bago magbayad. Sabi niya po doon kasi nakita niya po yung nakita ko po yung area, sabi niya, ang ganda sana ng kasi po nakapunta ito sa Kalubkob area, sa Puting Buhangin. Nakita niya po yung mga tabi ng dagat, malinis. Bakit lang daw po itong abong ang napakadumi?
Marami libre na dito dati.
Pero maganda ho yung gano'n na mayroong entrance na kahit 15 pesos, at least makakaano po iyon. Maganda po iyon. Kasi
parang ano sa maglilinis.
oho, kasi
They must make also a gate.
yeah. Kasi po sinasabi niya, ilan lagi po aring napunta rito. Lagi po niya pong kino-complain sa akin. Kahit mula po dun sa highway, kino-complain niya talaga yung mga plastic, kaya daw yung
napasok ko dito
kaya daw po yung dagat ay hindi malinis.
Kaya ngayon magpapabayad natin maglilinis.
Maganda yun. At sana si Kapitan Kukoy magpalinis din doon sa mga daanan. So ako, pagka nagpalinis si Kapitan Kukoy ng ganon, isa ako sa magbo-volunteer na tumulong.
Yeah. May volunteer na pala si Kapitan
Isa ako sa magbo-volunteer na tutulong ako.
Hindi ka nag-volunteer doon.
Ha?
Kahanggan mo bakit hindi ka mag-volunteer?
Oo naman. Sige. Ay, magbabayad ako. Magkano ang babayad ko? 30 kami? Wala lang akong bariya. Buti may dala akong pera. Sige po Ari po. Sana pagbalik namin malinis na. Ari po wag niyo na suklian. Wag niyo na suklian.
Aba.
Sige po, pagbalik namin malinis na. Ari po naka-vlog ari. Aring ating naka-vlog po, kita po nila yung natin. Love, waiting. Okay.
That is the problem if you have this one.
Yeah.
So
They want
people-
they want to cut here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
More
Ano, I
cut
understand
there.
because
That
when you going to the tricycle,
Yeah.
car,
If you
Ah,
have two cars,
yeah,
one
it's
here and
problem.
one here,
Yeah.
and you are on the motorbike. That is
Okay.
the,
I hope the barangay captain is watching,
yeah, looking
and
there.
then we do it. I can helping for the barangay captain to cleaning this area.
Yeah. If they are asking money,
Tama nga naman po, sabi po na rin foreigner, dapat po yung mga ganitong areang ito, kinakat nila yung baybay tabi ng highway para naman po hindi masyadong delikado sa sasakyan tulad ng mga kutseng napunta. Kasi actually po ang Abong is marami rin pong napunta ritong dayo para maligo. So para naman daw po ay hindi dangerous sa mga sasakyan o sa tao na pagka nalakadan is pwedeng maano nga naman yung mata. Kaya yun nga po. May point naman po aring foreigner na ari. Actually, kaya ko po ito binidyohan. Always na pumupunta po kami rito, lagi niya sinasabi, bakit ang Abong ganito, ganoon.
you must looking
Yeah,
the way. Looking half of this.
yeah,
Looking.
not
Eh?
balance.
Eh?
Yeah,
You have a nice road.
yeah,
But it's only half street.
yeah,
And then you have two cars. Of
Yeah.
you going with a motorbike.
yeah.
Everything you have it in your face.
Yeah,
Painful.
yeah, yun. Sinasabi niya po na yung mga puno ng aroma, kung dalawa daw po ang masasakyan, syempre delikado daw po sa mga mukha, masakit daw po iyon. Kasi aroma nga naman, may mga tinik nga naman po ito, nasa tabing-tabi na ng highway papunta sa dagat. So, sa akin pong mga kabarangay, willing po akong tumulong para po sa area natin dito sa beach, para sa mga pumapasyal din. Isa sa maganda po itong gawin. Willing po akong tumulong para maglinis na barangay, para may ano po ito. Para makita po. Kasi po, sinasabi po ng foreigner, doon sa area ng Lubkob, area ng Puting Buhangin, ang mga baybay dagat daw po at ang daan po ay malinis. So bakit daw po dito sa Abong ay ganoon? Ako naman po ay hindi sa kinakampihan ko yung aking hobby. Pero totoo naman po yung sinasabi niya. Ito naman po ay hindi sa kanyang sarili. Kapakanan po ng lahat na sinasabi niya. Tama po siya. So actually, isa po ako sa residente sa Abong. Medyo naha-heart din po ako. Ano rin po ako kasi sinasabi niya po yun sa akin. So kaya po, let's go mga taga-Abong. Tulong-tulong tayo maglinis sa area ng dagat from the highway papunta dito sa dagat. Kung sinong may gusto, tulong-tulong tayo para mapaganda natin ang bagong Abong. Tired? No.
I feel my feet.
You want to
No,
go?
no.
You want to tricycle?
No.
Right? Okay. You want to walking?
Walking is walking, not
Okay.
I like the
Oh,
color.
yeah, you like the color, green. It's farm rice.
Eh?
Yeah, it's farm rice and vegetable farm.
I. Oh, they heard what they
Yeah.
talking, eh?
Yeah,
You tell me him.
yeah.
It is not good. They don't like it.
Why?
Paying for that inside.
As is this is not this is not the old man.
Oh. But they have kids of their grandkids.
Yeah.
Yeah, they going here, and you must paying for the beach.
But I think when you cleaning every day, cleaning that area in beach, it's okay to paying 15 pesos per head.
Yeah, if it clean.
You want to first is you can see clean first and then you can paying. Not today paying because it's very dirty. I understand you.
Yeah. If you have making good for everybody, and you see that,
I paying to
then it's a
30 I
paradise.
paying to 30 pesos now because I ask I hope next come back is cleaning.
But if they going there, here for the people, have a nice area, you're going there.
Yeah.
You're looking there, and it's a paradise.
Yeah.
eh? You have nice houses. You have
Yeah, yeah,
you're
yeah,
going
yeah.
to the beach. You
Yeah.
have for the
Nga naman,
It's not
habang
so much
naglalakad
money.
nga naman, may magagandang bahay. Kung makikita nga naman yung magagandang bahay,
more
tapos
people, more
malinis
work.
ang dinadaanan. So,
Yeah,
nakaka,
more work. The people have more work. You have
ano daw, tingnan.
Maybe you have the more research.
Yeah.
People coming. Everything have more work. You can work there.
Yeah.
And if you have tourism, people there working, there is much more. You can there eating. You making there for the young kids and for the women. Zumba Sunday morning on the beach.
Yeah, nice.
You have a nice party there.
Yeah,
Everybody like it.
yeah.
Where you going Sunday? Off to the church, off you going there.
The same, after finish the church, we going there.
Yeah.
Me is my priority is church.
I make a huge choice.
Yeah. Yo, oh,
Zumba off the church. We sitting on the roof. Nah, that is not making angry. You can make
Yeah,
a
I know.
paradise here.
yeah.
It's a good
You are,
paradise.
you have a point, and that's you talking to me is right, correct.
Yeah, sometimes you can talking that is not good. Then you self Philippine. But with no money, you can do more things.
Yeah.
Eh?
But you know, love, when you helping each other, it's no problem to money if have helping each other. Yeah, like for the cleaning and that area in beach,
Yeah.
we can do like in the young people if have
you
no
have the-
like for Prince and the
from-
other young
from
people in
the-
Abong,
from the-
they can do that.
Here, they come on the road. You
Yeah.
have that.
But he can
You are
project.
young.
It's better
You
to.
put it on
It's
way.
better the new captain he is give project for that cleaning here.
No,
it's better.
no project. The
No, that
people-
is I think it's not